Nature Zone, Jungle Resort, Pullipara, Munnar. At an altitude of 5,700 feet above sea level, making it the highest jungle resort in Kerala. Spread across 28 acres of land inside the jungle. It is the perfect place to experience adventure, romance, and the beauty of nature. Nature Zone, Jungle Resort, is designed in such a way that one gets to experience the raw and rustic feel of a jungle. The resort is situated 7 kilometers from Munnar town, of which 4 kilometers is off-road passing through the tea plantation and dense forest. The only way to get there is by the resort jeeps. The accommodations are designed in an eco-friendly manner, with African safari tents and tree houses. Tree houses are authentically constructed right on the tree, where you can see the tree passing inside the room. All tree houses has a balcony, giving a view of the jungle and trees. Also, comes with an attached bathroom. African safari tents are permanent tents, with an area of approximately 300 square feet, with a sit-out and an attached bathroom. All tents are positioned overlooking the valley to provide breathtaking views. Experience the romantic candlelight dinner and delicious cuisine at the multi-cuisine restaurant, The Camp. Being situated at a very high altitude, the Nature Zone Jungle Resort offers numerous breathtaking viewpoints. You can enjoy both the sunrise and sunset from within the property. You can take a walk into the tea plantation for the mesmerizing views. Trek your way into the forest and experience a jungle adventure. And view the beauty of Munnar in 180 degree and 360 degrees wide views. Enjoy your romantic moments around the campfire. Explore the wide range of flora and fauna of the jungle. Explore the raw jungle and experience a romantic and adventurous stay close to nature. Nature Zone Jungle Resort, Pullipara. Munnar,